What's the biggest misconception people have about black holes? And is there anything about them that still completely breaks our current understanding of physics?
Uh, I think that if anything, okay, so breaking a current understanding, I think that sometimes it is the paradoxes that show that there are problems in our understanding. So I think that maybe breaking isn't as active word I don't think I want to use. I think that like again, I always feel like I don't even understand these stuff well enough. And I think that's one problem when you're in a field that everybody's confused. It's like, how confused are you? Like when I say I'm confused, does that mean I'm actually confused? Or are you like less confused? Like who's relatively more confused? So there's these paradoxes that come from like basically trying to say, okay, I think I know like it shouldn't be that ridiculous if it's a big black hole. Like the horizon isn't that special. I only kind of know it like kind of like teleologically or like away from like I don't know at the moment that I passed the horizon. So then why can't I put some quantum fields on it? And then like I have pair production, one of them will go out to infinity, the other one's going to go inside, and suddenly you run into these like issues of uh-oh, like did I evaporate into a thermal system now? Is it not unitary and all this fun Hawking stuff? So I think the thing that's one should take away is that there are still I think situations where people don't understand all the assumptions they make where they can just, follow one step after the other, think that they're doing something that seems logical or not, and then they realize, oops, together something was wrong. And so it's not breaking physics, it's showing that there is something broken in our assumptions. Like it's not like the physics is always has to be right. I think we believe that. It's just we don't quite know again like the regimes in which our assumptions are valid or which one is the wrong one. So so yes, there's a lot of active things. Like some people, I think I still have colleagues who believe that as soon as you cross a horizon, there's like some like firewall or fuzzballs. Like there's like different models for what happens behind it. But we're all basically just playing with some frameworks, like mathematical frameworks that give us intuition for what we might guess, and then we're not precise enough with what we're assuming when we compute something, and then oh, this don't fit together. Like that's the vibe. But I think I wouldn't try to scare like a random person with it. I would just point out that somehow the bread and butter of like a physical theory where you don't make a measurement is seeing that like these assumptions don't tie together. So something has to be wrong, then propagating it back and trying to fix it.